Alright, so I figured I'd make a quick video on kind of what my issue was, and I didn't really see anything off the first several videos on YouTube explaining exactly what my problem was. So I've got a 2014 f-150. It's a 3.5 EcoBoost. It's King Ranch. I don't know if any of that really matters, but it's got the cooled seats and heated seats. I'm not sure what year this might be an issue with or not. If your screen looks a little bit different, you've got the Sync 2. I did too, and I eventually upgraded to the Sync 3, so it might look a little bit different. I don't think that has anything to do with the issue. So what my issue was, I was turning on my cooled seats, and it was doing it for both the passenger and driver's seat. You would turn it on, and this just happened all of a sudden out of nowhere. It would turn on for 2-3 seconds, and then you hear the fan just turn off. So it wouldn't happen. So now they're on. You probably can't hear it right now, but they are working. And all I did was I unhooked my battery and just left it unhooked for about 10 minutes or so. And then I went ahead and cleaned the terminals off there just while I was doing it. So I unhooked the battery, plugged it back in after about 10 minutes, and so far it seems to be working. I will update if it quits working, but everything seems to be working now.